My God, look at the size of it! Are those centipedes? They're enormous. This whole thing is crawling.
We need to document the infestation near the main strut.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially around the pressure seals.
This entire section looks unstable.
Be careful with the glass, it's unstable. What do you see inside?
Cut that main line, careful of the tension.
Got it, watch the centipedes on the ground. The corrosion on this bracket is severe. We need to log the extent. Confirmed. The forward lift needs another 5 degrees of pressure.
All teams confirm anchors secured. Tensioning winch 1, mark.
All teams, maintain tension. We have lift. Watch for debris on the port wing. Winch 4, slow and steady.
Lift synchronized, slow and steady. Acknowledged, pressure holding steady at 0.4. Watch the rear cables, slight vibration.
Hooked in, go ahead on the tensioner. Applying pressure now. Clear the line. Solid, we are secured for transport.
Convoy command to all units, maintaining present course. Watch the starboard wing clearance at the next bend.
Watch the left side, slow and steady. Clear on the right, keep it coming. Confirmed, approaching the threshold.
Look at the state of this landing gear. We'll need the specialized solvents here.
Agreed, the tablet shows heavy pitting.
And the vines near the engine intake are deep. Okay, I'm cutting the main vine now.
Pull it slowly, don't damage the paint underneath.
Got a clear path here. Look at the stress fracture right here.
Readings confirm severe oxidation on this panel.
The landing gear rubber is completely degraded.
The corrosion on this panel is worse than anticipated.
We'll need to isolate the area before we start the laser ablation.
We've got significant pitting right here. Noted, I'll adjust the nozzle. Make sure you hit the wing seams hard. Copy that, moving to the starboard engine now.
The corrosion is worse than we thought right here. Yeah. We'll document it for the next phase.
Focus on that joint right there, it's still packed with grease. Got it.
Did you get the degreaser on the lower bracket?
Yeah, it's starting to break down the heavy deposits.
Watch the pressure on that wiring harness.
Okay, the hydraulics have the weight. Clear the joint.
Bringing it down to table 3. Documenting the corrosion on the bracket now. Okay, the pneumatic driver got the first one loose.
Good. This wrench should handle the second. Watch the hinge.
Look at the corrosion on this harness. We'll need a full replacement.
Agreed. Label it for the refurbishment team.
Watch the structural supports right there. That corrosion goes deep. Got it, moving to the stand.
The oil residue here suggests a long-term leak.
And these connectors are heavily oxidized. We'll add it to the replacement list.
Alignment is holding steady at 99.5%.
Noted. Maintaining temperature.
Check the smoothness right here. Looks good. Maintain the contour.
This edge looks good. Smooth transition here. Ready for the patch then. How's this looking? Yeah, that's clean metal now. Move slightly to the left. The seam looks solid here. Good penetration on this bracket. Check the next one. Did you check the wiring harness on the starboard side?
Yes, but the schematic doesn't match the current configuration.
We're flush on the starboard side.
Okay, I'm starting the ratcheting sequence now.
What's the reading on the lower bracket? 2.04 millimeters, well within spec. Good, let's move to the engine supports.
This serial number matches the manifest. The finish on these spars is excellent.
Check the mounting points against the original schematic.
They align perfectly. The seals are fresh too.
Approved for installation.
The alignment on this bracket looks good. Confirmed. Check the electrical housing seal before we mount it.
This mounting bracket needs to be double-checked against the schematic.
Already verified the specs, Alpha 9. It's ready for installation. Slow and steady on the ascent, watch the rotation. Confirmed. Rotation stable, ready for translation.
Check the torque on the main pin, setting is locked. Looks good. Secure the secondary bolts.
Check the clearance on that branch before we secure it. Looks good. Go ahead and clamp it down. Alignment confirmed. Check the seal compression.
Looks good. Running the diagnostic now.
Power cycling the navigation lights. The starboard gear assembly is ready for mounting.
Confirmed. Check the alignment tolerances before we proceed.
All connections are seated and locked.
Roger that. Seals look good. Initiating the power cycle now.
Confirmed illumination on channel 3.
Ensure the connectors are fully seated before we close this section.
Already double-checked the starboard side.
Check the alignment points here.
Looks good. The primer is consistent. Ready to lift?
Yeah, up on your side.
Okay, clear.
Wow, these look perfect.
Agreed. Let's get them organized. Harness A12, route 3.
Confirmed. Matching the diagram, these connectors go into tray 4.
Check the alignment on section 4. Looks good, lead. Torque it to specification. Alignment looks good here. Torque it to spic. Reading green.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on the starboard side. Confirmed. Engaging the fasteners now. Harness secured. Locking connector engaged. Initiating system test. All indicators green.
Check the alignment on these connectors.
Looks good. The surface finish is flawless.
Power up the display unit briefly.
The alignment on this panel seems correct. Are the fasteners ready?
Yes, I have them here, torque to spec.
Wiring harness secured behind panel 7.
Okay, proceeding with cover installation.
Harness connections are fully seated.
Running the power check now. Looks good.
Lubrication applied. Movement is smooth.
Check the connector alignment here.
We are showing green across the board, temperature stabilized. Roger that. No anomalies on visual inspection.
Surface contamination is 0. Excellent. The seams look perfect under the light.
Maintain the speed on this pass. Copy that. Watching the overlap. How does the coverage look on the seams?
Perfect matte finish. No holidays detected near the root.
The humidity is holding steady at 40%. Good. The finish looks perfect here. Check the seam right here.
Yeah.
Looks perfect, 0 residue.
Pressure steady, alignment looks good. Confirmed. Gear is down and locked.
Ground control, this is Alpha Sierra 26. Bomber is clear of the hangar threshold, proceeding to runway.
Roger that. Alpha Sierra 26, cleared for taxi.
Runway clear, wind steady at 5 knots. How are the engine temps looking?
All parameters in the green, rolling resistance nominal.
Liftoff confirmed, positive rate of climb, gear up and locked. Beautiful sequence, systems nominal. Welcome back to the sky, old girl.
The restoration is a complete success. We are maintaining altitude and course. Landing gear confirmed secure.